All right, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Real quick, again, I want to remind you guys that the 10,000 subscriber giveaway is still going on, and we are about less than 40 subscribers, I believe, from hitting our milestone. So it's incredible that we've gotten this far. I still can't believe it. Again, I want to thank you guys so much for the support, the likes, the comments, the sharing of the videos. It's really been helping out the channel a lot, and I'm sure you guys all have enjoyed the build up so far to this point of the OBS build for Audri. So real quick, day 2 of Layin at the Lake was pretty much videos that we took from the car show. Whatever we did get is from like the little few amount of cars that were there at the show, and Audri and her family did stop by and checked out the truck for the first time as a family. And all I gotta say is Audri was so stoked to finally be able to air it up and down on her own and kind of get a feel for it, lay eyes on it for the first time. So she got a firsthand experience with the truck already, and we're not even complete with it yet. So we got to, again, like I mentioned in the last video, we still got a lot more work to do. I still got a lot of stuff that needs to be taken apart and redone, as far as not work that on my end that needs to be redone, but stuff that needs to be taken off because it is going out for powder coat, and as well as the stuff for the interior. So a lot of stuff's going to be coming in. As you can see, the C10 is no longer in the garage. It's out, stored away, and we have plenty more working room. I did take a lot of the stuff out here out of the garage, so we have more working room, like I said. And still got a few more things to pick up right over there, get rid of that stuff, and then we should be planning on possibly making a workbench over here in this general area. So a lot of stuff is coming up. So again, can't thank you guys enough for all the support. I know I already failed to mention that the 10,000 subscriber giveaway that we're giving away is the Sundown 6.5 component speakers from Sundown Audio, provided to us by Showtime Electronics. So make sure you guys check them out if you need anything electronic wise, as far as speakers, batteries, wiring, components, speakers, subwoofers, anything you can need, car audio, marine, or off-road. Make sure you guys check them out. And as well, as I mentioned before, that my merch is coming here soon. I still have failed to get that up and running, but I promise you guys that I should be able to get that up here pretty soon. So without making this introductory any longer, again, I want to thank you guys so much for support on the channel. 10K giveaway is almost here, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So with that being said, let's get into the video.
stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth. Get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking. I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often. I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids talking. I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend. Keep jammies on like I'm a kid. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth.
Oh man, get down there, dude. Yeah, it took forever. Huh? A lot of traffic? No, we had some right here with that particle thing. Okay, that's it. Good. Yeah, we could do that too. Yeah. So, Audri's of course in love with it. Audri.
Thank you.
Yeah. So,
How are you doing?
good. How are you?
Good.
Yeah. How y'all doing?
Her friend.
What's up, man? Jeb.
Big sister. Big sister. Sydney.
Like it, baby? Yeah? Happy? Happy birthday. They're not as loud, they're a lot quieter. The 45s seem to be a lot quieter.
That was awesome.
It's looking good, man. Solid.
Yeah, I thought he was gonna hit those poles.
Dude, I saw those poles.
Like, what are you doing?
How about you see those poles? That was good.
All right, that's going to cut it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you get your 10K giveaway by commenting 10K giveaway on any one of the videos. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the videos, and check back in with us because we will soon be continuing on the OBS build for Audri. And again, I can't thank you guys enough. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one.
Yeah.
I feel like fucking Lady Gaga right now with my paparazzi.
Where's the flashlight, bro?